Today again we are going to welcome you on my DN Learning channel. Earlier I explained you the situation and reason for the Second World War. That time most powerful leader Benito Mussolini of Italy and Adolf Hitler of Germany created the situation of the World War. Actually, these two leaders were very aggressive, like Jinping in present days. China superpower leader Jinping is also very aggressive, or they force their neighbor to apply his aggressive policy. That time also Adolf Hitler attacked on 1st September 1939 and captured the Poland. It was the starting day of the World War II. Present situation is going to World War III direction, and it is my future casting that before September or in the midday of September there may be World War conflict again. That time was Adolf Hitler most aggressive. This time China and Trump, both leaders are very aggressive. So I think the World War III will start from the Asia, because China may capture or attack on Taiwan, and after that America will not be silent. There are also tension on the border of India and China, or China wanted to force India to be kept aside from the world conflict. But what was the result of the World War II? Mussolini and Adolf Hitler both destroyed their country. Similarly, there will be division of China after the World War III, because all country of the world is going to start war exercise in South China Sea, and from that scenario I see that it is certain, World War III is certain. The starter will be China, and after that other country will be involved according to their interest. Okay, thanks. Again, I will come on Sunday on these topics.